Hi, my name is Kara McCrae, and at 18 years old, I embarked on my first solo backpacking trip. I traveled all the way across the world to Bali, Indonesia, and Thailand. Along the way, I met amazing people, visited places that took my breath away, ate delicious food, experienced vivid cultures, and even did a bit of volunteering. This was a trip that I will never forget, and I wanted to share it with all of you. Hi, good morning. It's currently, I think, day 4. I woke up this morning and just got breakfast like every day. So we have like an open breakfast area where we all eat together. And then I came back and took a shower, and it's still introduction week. So later I have a language class and then a painting, like we're painting this fabric, I forget what it's called, but we're painting this fabric piece, which is really cool. So we get to learn all about the Balinese culture and all cool stuff like that, which is amazing. And then next week is the week that I actually start my volunteering with the sea turtle conservation. But my experience here so far has been so much fun. I've met so many cool people from literally all different parts of the world, and it's so funny to hear everyone's accents and how they like pronounce different words differently, even though we all speak English. But yeah. Someone just saw me. So we all met up in the main volunteer house, and then from there we left to go to a local artist's house who had our paintings that we had previously drawn out so that we could paint them. Oh my god. This is kind of wild. Okay, hold on. My purple. They drawn over it. Oh my god. At the workshop, we'd found that our paintings had been outlined where the pencil was in wax to stop the colors from bleeding into each other. And then we grabbed the paint, which was more like a liquidy dye, and applied it with these little Q-tip-like brushes, and some of us used our fingers and just filled them in how we liked them. Chargers. It's 20th and I just turned 19. And we are at a lounge / bar. Stop for a little snack stop.
They're so melty. Oh my god. Strawberry. And it's Pringles.
What are we feeling today?
I don't know what I'm feeling. It's totally different.
It is.
That's pink Pringles.
Pink Pringles?
What even?
Pinky berry cocoa. That's that.
You know what? I'm just gonna get crunched. I don't know.
These ones also
So many options.
So is that like knockoff?
I like the
original. Yeah.
Today we're doing a cooking class, and we just finished cutting the vegetables, and I just fried the bananas. Oh my god, I was so hot. It's like 100 degrees over there. See, this is where we cut everything.
I was here for about 3 days before the program, so I wanted to kind of like chill.
We just finished that. And this is where we're frying the bananas. See? It's hot over here, right?
so hot, dying.
So we got the bananas, and then we dip them, fry them, and then what's going on over here? Tofu.
Gotta wait till it's nice and crispy.
Sorry, you need to separate the Oreo.
Oh,
Okay. You can put here.
yes, okay.
No, that's what you want.
I didn't. It's like nutty. You want?
Okay, let's just pass it.
It's chocolate and cheese. Just take that in on bananas.
I'm gonna show you how to.
I don't like that.
No, that's tofu.
No,
it doesn't taste good.
Such a weird texture.
Iced tea.
Oh my god, where'd you get it?
Then you pass them on.
Thank you.
Oh, it looks so nice and cold. And then you can put tofu if you want.
Okay.
And then this is the apa dane? Peanut sauce, yeah.
Do you have this not cooked?
This is cooked.
Oh, I think it's steamed.
I boil it.
okay.
I boil it.
Oh, the Oreo.
And then you mix it, and then you can eat. Yeah.
So So we've got a fried Oreo. Have you ever tried one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never had one.
What's this stuff?
Oh,
The
yeah.
donut.
It's so good.
No,
what
it's
is that?
breadcrumbs.
It's 2:30 in the morning. I feel like shit. I got 4 hours of sleep. We're going to hike up Mt.Batur. Pray for me, please. If the sunset's nice, it'll be worth it. I hope I don't die. We got our rain jackets, our flashlights. It's raining, but it's 2.5 hours to get to the top.
Oh yeah.
We can do it, right? It's only like 3 a.m. Here we go. We're out here dying.
Dude.
I feel like I just went swimming, like I'm so like sweaty. We made it to the top and I've never felt more accomplished in my life. There was a couple points where I didn't think I was gonna make it for a second, right? Did you think that? I was like, shit. When they said it was only halfway, I was like, you're lying to me. So yeah, it's nice. Just waiting for the clouds to part so we can see the sun. Our tour included breakfast, so our guides took us to the side of the volcano and cooked our eggs with the volcanic steam. It was that hot. It was so cool to see. How long does it take to cook the egg? 25 minutes? You know that expression how when it's so hot you say you could like cook an egg on the sidewalk? Yeah. This is like literally that. We're just waiting for our breakfast. The eggs are cooking. Well, the eggs are done. Are they? I think so. Got hot chocolate. Some tea.
If you have an issue, have a cup of tea. That's what I
That's not the same. If you have an issue, take a tissue.
When we were walking up here, we were still hot, and we were like, it's not gonna be cold up here. It's kind of cold up here, like you need a sweater. But it's really cool. We didn't get like much of a sunset, but we got a little like peek of it, and it was so pretty. It's just nice to be up here and to feel like so accomplished once you've hiked so far. Yeah. I'm excited for breakfast. I'm hungry. There's monkeys up here too. Like what? I didn't realize monkeys up here. But yeah. We got breakfast. Got an egg sandwich. You got egg too, right? Or banana?
Banana.
Is it good?
I hope the monkey doesn't steal
Oh shit, yeah, the monkeys are stealing everything. They're wild. And people are feeding them. Yeah.
It's not good.
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like when you feed them, you just encourage them. It's cool. It's cool to see them. See, look, like people crowd the monkeys. But I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat now. Bye.
This nicer. This nicer.
He's so cute.
This nicer. The
Don't
biggest
poop
coming.
on me.
The biggest coming, run.
Oh no, I'm scared.
Take a picture like this.
My new best friend. Aww.
And if you tilt down, you should be able to...
Oh my god, I'm scared. I got one of it jumping. That one's scary. This one's just a little too much for me. You already know this one gets all the food.
Yeah, he's not cute.
He's the one that attacks the little ones. Oh, it's my phone. I didn't know who had my phone.
When we hiked here, we could not see anything because it was pitch black, and we didn't realize how pretty it was. Like, it's so pretty, look.
You're talking to people. You're talking to your camera again.
I am talking to people. people of the internet.
I'm talking to my fans.
We are behind.
Oh boy. I'm always last. It's okay. It's a lifestyle. Sadly, our tour had come to an end and we had to say goodbye to our guides.